To fix screen is too dark on your iPhone, you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. To fix it, make sure that you turn off the auto brightness. So to turn it off, you just need to open settings on your device, and under settings you'll see various options like general, accessibility and all of it. So make sure to tap on the option of accessibility, and from here you'll see the option of voiceover, zoom, display and text size, motion and all of it. So click on the option of display and text size, and from here you just need to scroll down until you see the option of auto brightness. So make sure to turn it off, and you will be able to reduce the problem of screen is too dark on the iPhone. So if you want to turn it back on, simply turn it back from here. And the next thing which you can do is that you just need to scroll from the very top right hand side, and you will simply increase the brightness manually. So you will simply keep it on the place which you like. And the next thing is that you just need to disable the night shift or the true tone. So again, scroll from the very top right hand side and long press on the brightness button, and here you will see the option of dark mode, night shift or true tone. So make sure that all of it are off. So you simply tap on it to simply turn it on or turn it off. And the fourth option is that you just need to restart your iPhone. So simply tap on the volume down button and power button at the same time, and you'll go to the restart page. So most of the iPhone issues may be fixed by restarting your iPhone. So simply restart your phone and check if you are able to remove the problem of the screen is too dark. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't help, then you just need to check if there is any kind of software update available on a device. So if there is any kind of software update, then make sure that it is up to the date and you will be able to fix the problem. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.